What if I told you the next phase of basketball may already be here? At just 18-year-old, one young player has captured the attention of millions of basketball fans across America. NBA scouts call him a once-in-a-generation talent. Fans believe he could become the next superstar. His Cooper Flag. His name is Cooper Flag, but his journey to the top was not easy. This is the untold story of American next basketball sensations. Let's
NCAA.
begin.
He's dominated 15s, he's dominated 16s, he's dominated 17s, he's dominated 8.
Cooper Flag was born on December 21, 2006 in Newport, Maine. Unlike many NBA stars who grew up in a big cities, Cooper comes from a small town. Basketball quickly became his biggest passion. His family supported him from the very beginning. He spent countless hours practice every single day. While other kids are relaxing after school, Cooper was working on his shooting, his defense, and his athletics ability. Even at the age people could see he was different. He had incredible basketball IQ. He could score, pass, block shots, and defend almost every position. Many coaches believe they were watching a future superstar. A Cooper entered high school. His reputation grew rapidly. Fan-packed gyms just to watch him play. His highlights spread across social media. Basketball analysts could not stop talking about him. Every game seemed to create another viral moment. His dunk, his block, his incredible passes made headlines across America soon. He became one of the highest ranked high school basketball players in the country. The pressure kept growing, but Cooper stayed focused. He never lets fame distract him from his dream. Many great players can score points, but Cooper Flag does much more. He plays hard on every patience. He can defend elite players. He makes smart decisions. He fights for every rebound. His work ethics reminds many people of basketball legend. That is why NBA scouts become so excited. Some experts even called him the future face of American basketball. With every game, his confidence continued to grow. His dream of reaching the NBA was getting closer every single day. As Cooper Flag continued to dominate high school basketball, the biggest college program wanted him. Every coach dreamed of having him on their team, but Cooper made one decision that changed everything. He committed to Duke University, one of the most successful basketball programs in America. The news quickly national headlines. Fans celebrated. Experts believe Duke had found its next superstar. At Duke, the expectation became even higher. Every game was watched by millions. Every performance was analyzed by NBA scouts, but Cooper never looked afraid. Instead, he played with confidence. He proved that he belonged on the biggest stage. For years, Cooper Flag dreamed about playing in NBA. Now the dream was closer than ever. Basketball player praised his complete game. He could score, he defend, he could block shots, he could defend opportunity for his teammate. A few young men players have all these skills. Many NBA scouts describe him as one of the most complete prospects of the generations. Fans started asking him one question: could Cooper Flag become the next great American superstar basketball? The excitement continued to grow. Every game brought him more attention. Every highlights created millions of views online. His journey has inspired young basketball players across the country. Basketball is always searching for its superstar. Every generation has its heroes. Michael Jordan, Kobe Bryant, LeBron James, and today many people believe Cooper Flag could not become one of the next great name in the basketball. Of course, the road of greatness is never easy. The NBA is the tightest basketball league in the world. Only hard work, discipline, and determination could return potential into the greatness. But if Cooper continue improving every season, the future look incredible. Bright, his story is only beginning. The best chapter of his career may still be ahead. From a small town to Mimines to become one of the American biggest young basketball star, Cooper Flag has already achieved what many young athletes only dream about. But this is only the beginnings. The NBA is waiting, millions of fans are watching, and the basketball world is excited to see what happens next. Will Cooper Flag become the next NBA legend? Only time will tell. If you enjoy this documentary, do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our thought, and join us for more incredible sports stories because every legend has a story worth telling. Thank you.